Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1. Cement stocks rally due to price hikes. The manufacturing cost of cement has increased due to the higher input cost and hence cement prices have been hiked by companies. The demand for cement has increased due to construction activity due to the revival in the housing sector. Hence, various cement stocks have been rallying in the last few days. News number 2. International Monetary Fund IMF raises forecast for India's GDP growth. I put a very interesting table. 2020-21, they are forecasting minus 8% growth for India, China 2.3% positive, US minus 3.5%, world minus 3.3%. 2021-22, India 12.5% growth, China 8.4%, US 6.4%, and the world economy expected to grow by 6%. 2022-23, India will grow at 6.9%, China at 5.6%, US at 3.5%, and world at 4.4%. So these are the estimates for the International Monetary Fund as on today. It keeps getting revised based on the actual data which they get, and also we need to see what is the actual growth which will happen in comparison to the estimates given here. News number 3. Macrotech Developers IPO opened today. Today is the first day of Macrotech Developers IPO. The IPO dates are 7th to 9th April. Please note that we will not be making a video on Macrotech Developers IPO tomorrow, 8th April at 12 noon, since it looks like most people are not interested in IPOs. In fact, we may not make videos on IPOs at all unless there is enough views for the IPO videos. News number 4. Flipkart IPO may be launched in US markets in 4th quarter of 2021. Flipkart, which is controlled by Walmart company of USA, may launch IPO in the US towards the end of this financial year. So they're looking to list in the US, not in India as of now. It is one of the leading e-commerce companies in India and competes with Amazon. It has more than 30 crore registered users and more than 15 crore products available online for purchase. News number 5. Byju's may launch IPO in 18 to 24 months. Byju's, which is a Bangalore-based educational technology company, is considering an IPO in 18 to 24 months. You must have seen a lot of advertisements on TV of Byju's. Currently, it is the second most valuable startup in India after Paytm. It is valued at around 95,000 crores currently based on the funding it has received so far. News number 6. RBI keeps interest rates unchanged. In today's announcement, RBI kept interest rates unchanged since it was not necessary to hike interest rates because inflation was quite low and the economy is not growing very fast. The RBI governor expects the Indian economy to recover in this financial year. He believes that the vaccine distribution is a vital factor for the situation to come to normalcy once again. News number 7. Adani Group joins 100 billion market cap club means that the total market capitalization of the group companies should be more than 7.3 lakh crores, that is $100 billion. Tata's is 18.15 lakh crores, Mukesh Ambani's Reliance 12.66 lakh crores is the total market capitalization of its companies, Adani 7.84 lakh crores, Bajaj 6.15 lakh crores, and Birla, which is Kumar Mangalam Birla Group, 4.41 lakh crores is the total market capitalization of its companies. And I also put one more column which says 1 year change in terms of market capitalization in terms of percentage. So you will see how all these group companies, how their market capitalization has increased in the last 1 year. So this was today's breaking news. If this video was good, please press the like button. And if this video was useful, please type useful in the comment section. Share this video with all your friends because they will also get such interesting information. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.